Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to get this trunk bar installed with the Rockford Fosgate sound system. So I already got the bolts and the nuts. Got those at Home Depot. Show a clip here. Okay, M8 125. That should be it. You can see the sizes. The bolts are M8, 40 millimeter. For the spacers, I'm just using 3/8 nuts. So the M8 bolts goes through the 3/8 nuts, so it's not threaded on there. So it's just being used as a spacer. It looks like I gotta do really 3 of those nuts to be able to clear the speaker the way it's set up in my car. I could probably get away with 2, but it's gonna be pressing up against the box, which may work too. The issue is the mounts on the bar is angled. So the further out you go, the angle changes and the bolts on the bar need to go inwards. So because of that, we need to either drill new holes in the bar or we need to grind out those holes inwards to be able to make it fit. So I got a burring bit. We're gonna try that first and see if that works. All right, just so you can see how far off it is, this side is bolted, 3 spacers. Everything's good there, but when you come to this side, you can see how far off it is. And these bolts angle that way. So the angle I'm referring to, you can see it right there, how they're angled. So that's why they end up being off the further out they go. All right, so this is the plan. I am using, I think it's a stepping bit. I'm gonna drill out the hole a little bit bigger. That way I can get this burring bit in there and try and grind it sideways. Alright, so I made the holes bigger with the stepping bit and I tried to grind sideways some. Not sure if that's going to be enough yet, but we'll find out. I did do a good job scratching up this bar, so I'll have to repaint it. But yeah, you can see that's what I did. That's it, we're done. It's bolted, the sub fits, and put 2 spacers. It's really tight against the sub, so the excursion may hit the bar. So if it does, I'm just going to take it off and then put another nut in there, and that should clear it. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.